Okay, so I popped the breaker, which is its normal behavior. I noticed while I was looking, there's oil under here. That's new. I've not seen that before. So got to looking while I'm waiting on the thing to cool off. And it appears, man, that motor's hot. It appears that it is coming out of the back I don't even know what the hell you call it. Maybe that fitting there on the top, but it looks like it's trickling right down and then slinging out on there. So whatever seal holds this mess together. And there's oil on the fins of the quote-unquote fan or wheel, whatever you want to call. However, oil itself is fine. It's not low, it's not missing, it's fine. So I would be, damn, that's hot. I would be very curious to know where y'all got this remanufactured pile of crap and you put it on the American people with your little logo on it there. To say I'm frustrated, annoyed, and perturbed would be putting it very mildly. The fact that you have sold something like this and charged people money for it, and I haven't even gotten a dozen uses out of the thing because every time I use it, I have to negotiate with it every single time. It is a complete piece of garbage. You see that? Nothing hooked up, and it won't even contemplate firing off.